I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get Windows 11 Pro by just using your command prompt. So first you need to go to the command prompt. You can just type it up here in your search bar, or you can just use Windows R. But you also need to run as administrator. Right there, alright. Now you run as administrator. You can do this. You just follow, or you can type in this command, or you can copy and paste it. Do that. Product key was uninstalled successfully. Alright, you copy that. You post it here. Then you copy this. You'll get an OK message. Alright, next you go copy this, copy and paste this on this. Alright, now you need to copy and paste this command. And these extra ones. Alright, exit. And now it's going to run and install, and you will see a message percent complete. Now you just need to activate it. So CMD again, and run as administrator. Alright, so you just copy these commands. Alright, there we go, right there. Copy these extra two commands. Alright, and then we got this one. Now you have Windows 11 Pro. Now I'm gonna check settings to actually see if we have it. See, Windows 11 Pro right here. So you're not bullshitting. We got it. Product activated successfully. Alright. I got the product right now, so that's it.